In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary y-axis in Google Sheets. If you're working with data sets that have very different value ranges, adding a secondary axis can make your chart much easier to read. For example, if one series has values in the hundreds and another has much smaller numbers, placing one of them on a second y-axis helps both series stay visible and meaningful in the same chart. To get started, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to chart. Once you're in the sheet, select your data. Make sure you include the full range you want represented in the chart, including any labels or headers, since that helps Google Sheets organize the chart correctly. After your data is selected, move to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on the data you selected. Don't worry if the default chart type doesn't look right yet, because we're going to adjust it in the next step. In the chart editor, choose a combo chart. This chart type is important because it supports assigning one of your data series to a secondary axis. If you don't use a compatible chart type, the option to add a second axis may not appear. So if you're not seeing the settings you expect, double check that the chart type is set to combo. Next, click the Customize tab in the chart editor. This is where you'll find the settings that control the appearance and behavior of the chart. From there, click on Series. The Series section lets you adjust each individual data series separately, which is exactly what you need when moving one series to a different axis. Now, look for the Apply to drop-down menu. Open it and select the specific data series you want to move to the secondary axis. This is the series that should be measured independently from the main values on the left side of the chart. Once that series is selected, find the axis setting underneath it and change it to right axis. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will place that data series on the secondary y-axis on the right side of the chart. At this point, your chart should be much easier to interpret, especially if the two series have different scales. That's all it takes to add a secondary y-axis in Google Sheets.